how do you import Google Contacts to your iPad? Let's explain that and let's get started with it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Anyways, you need to open up your settings app of the iPad, and at the bottom of the main page, you can find the apps section, which is for every single installed app. So it's like a settings page for it. So we need to find the contacts in here. You can find it right there. And literally the first option is the contacts accounts. And when you click on this, we have the ability to browse the current account. So in my case, it's just the iCloud, but I have the ability to add new account, and it gives me the ability to sign in with all of these providers, right? So I naturally tap on Google and just proceed through the sign-in process. So I need to type in my Gmail account, the password, perhaps some verification if I have that going on. But after I successfully install, I should have access to my Google Contacts still within the iPad. Like, it will all be part of my Contacts application all in one place. Obviously, you can also manage or switch in between them. When you click on the left panel to show up, you'll be able to see all of your contacts and then different accounts like iCloud or Google or whatever. And you'll be able to switch in between them. But at the end of the day, it gets the job done and still works very well. So let me know what you think. Let me know if it worked out. Share your opinions or thoughts below in the comments if you want to. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you then.